Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be telling you about how to fix app not installing problem in your Motorola smartphone. If you are going to the Play Store, let's first connect the Wi-Fi. So friends, here I have connected the Wi-Fi, and now when you install these application from the Play Store, and if it is showing app not installing or any other problem it's showing, first check your storage. Your storage will be full, so you have to first clear all the storage unwanted files, images, videos from the file manager or files by Google. You can install it from the Play Store if you can, or you can do it from your simple manager application. Just delete the downloads videos that are not important, clear your storage, and then try to install from the Play Store. If it is installing, that's okay. If it is not, you have to first go to the Play Store then and click on this profile picture option. Here it is, scroll down, you will see settings. Now here it is about, click on this Play Store version update Play Store. So you can see Google Play Store is up to date. If your update is pending, just first update it and then restart your smartphone, and your app not downloading problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.